Look at this. I'm at Hampton Manor. It's in the Midlands, near Warwickshire as well. And they have a beautiful garden here. It's a hotel. And they really want to educate their guests. So they call this a foodie feast garden. It's producing, and they use that in the restaurant. But the main emphasis actually is education, which I think is so good, because it's the bit that really needs to be used more and explained more, so that people can work out where their food's coming from and hopefully grow some of their own. So they are using no-dig methods here and doing permaculture, kind of doing a bit of everything. I think this soil needs more compost, and I want to ask the gardeners about that, and they are here. This is Leslie in the light green shirt and Caroline. And they're not even full-time here. So personally, I think this garden is a bit understaffed, but you know, that's often the problem, isn't it? It's getting enough labour to do all the jobs.
Yes.
You're just about keeping up.
Yeah, we chase our tails.
We chase it, yeah. We do our best. We do our best with what we have. Yeah, absolutely.
But I mean, no-dig helps, doesn't it? You're embracing that and
Hugely.
getting compost on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not so many weeds, but you don't mind some weeds, because you're doing sort of permaculture and food forest as well.
We are.
We have a lot of weeds, and we do actively encourage weeds.
As much
Yeah, we do.
biodiversity as
We do
can
have beehives as well, and we want to encourage
Flowering plants.
for our bees as well. Yeah.
Okay, good. Just up here, I was noticing how it's all right to walk across here.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you can see how this soil is quite dry and dusty, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a wormhole there, that's encouraging, but the structure's not bad. How would you describe it, the actual soil?
It does seem to vary, because this has been cultivated for such a long time, because it's been a walled garden for such a long time. So every bed is more or less individual. We've got some quite heavy clay down in those last two bottom beds there.
Right, okay.
Yeah, we've had a couple of issues with the soil there as well. So.
Okay. But I mean, often clay can be good, can't it?
Yeah.
When you mulch it. And the mulch you're using here, you've got potatoes, right. What is this mulch?
So we were very lucky. We've been trying to track down some good organic matter, and a tree surgeon that we know has allowed us to have a delivery of, this is very old, well rotted, just wood chip.
Yeah, it's
And
compost.
I think it's about 6 years old.
6?
Yeah, I think so.
That's
Because
perfect.
yeah.
Has he got any more?
He has. We're hoping for a regular supply now.
God, that would be incredible.
It would be, I know.
I would say you need 3 or 4 loads of this at least.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
We've had 2 already, haven't we?
Yeah, we have
Great.
covered
The end of the second.
quite a few of our beds further down.
Okay. Because moisture is an issue for you, isn't it? I mean, have you got water here?
We have.
What?
We have a reservoir underneath the restaurant here, which is
from
a
the
huge
roof.
capacity, about 16,000 litres. So we're using that
Yeah.
at the
Nice.
moment, which is great. We do have a water tap in the middle of the garden, but that's from the mains. But we do try and use the water.
So last summer when it was dry, did you get through all that 16,000 litres?
Yes,
You did. So then it's used the tap.
we did. Yeah,
It's
we did.
interesting, isn't it? How it doesn't. You think you've got a lot, and
I know.
it doesn't quite go far
No.
enough. And up here you've got, mulches of different kinds.
We have. We're always experimenting as well.
So here we have a really interesting comparison of 2 ways of reclaiming very weedy ground. Like this was massive weeds until a month ago, and rather than digging, they just scraped off the weeds off the surface. So it's a kind of no-till way of getting rid of the weeds, which I presume you put in the compost heap probably.
Yes,
Cool.
we did.
And then they put this old wood chip compost on top, which is looking really nice, and that's going to grow potatoes, and the chefs are going to be able to come out from the kitchen and easily pull, because that's the lovely thing with no-dig, isn't it? The potatoes are closer to the surface.
Yes.
Whereas here you've done it differently, and
Yeah.
no scraping, but you put cardboard
Yeah.
All wool.
or wool.
Some
or
of it
and
will
wool.
be carb. It depends on
One or
how
the
much
other,
of each
really.
we had. We just use
Okay.
whatever we're given. So some of
Okay.
it's, I can see some cardboard, and then
Yeah.
mulch on top.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I'm finding wool really good at homemakers. It's very nutritious. So and on top of that, you put some old wood bark and
Yeah.
just any old woody material, really.
And not a thick layer, actually. It doesn't. It hasn't.
like-
No, it's not. Doesn't have to be too thick. we
No.
found.
Yeah. Okay. But
And the results are. Should
and
we have a?
you're going to grow beans here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
and the results
Our bean bed.
are good.
Yeah, that's so interesting.
Yeah,
And was the soil looking quite the same before you began?
yes it was.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, there's a worm.
Yeah,
So-
and there's even a worm. It's
and
beautiful.
here, you're probably not seeing so many worms. It's too dry, isn't it?
It's too dry.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. Well, there, nice result. So another thing you're trying is sowing green manures in the spring,
Yeah.
which is something I hesitate to do because that will take some moisture out of the ground, but it would otherwise be bare in this case, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It would be.
So basically here they haven't got enough resources really for what they're trying to do it lush. But you're coping like this mustard green manure, which I've just pulled up. Really good root system, a lot of organic matter.
Well, this bed was mulched last year heavily, so it has been improved, and we have to prioritise other beds
Yeah.
continually. So, and also it's a nice example to show guests we're doing something different.
Yeah.
So we wanted to do
Yeah.
this in these two beds.
I'm just looking
As
at
an
the soil here,
example.
and although you mulched it, it shows how hungry this soil
I
is.
know.
Yeah.
It's almost gone back, not quite.
Yeah,
But in fact, seeing the root system there,
is coping.
because that's something you get with green manures. It's not only the green bit on top, but all the root system
Yeah.
they're making below ground. It's all carbon, all energy from the sun, isn't it? Which otherwise is wasted.
Yeah,
And you'll just hoe this off.
yep,
Yeah.
Cool.
exactly.
Great. And then
Before it flowers.
plant the famous Three Sisters, but
That's the one.
That's the one we're going to do
in blocks though.
in
Yes.
blocks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah, that'll look really nice.
and we will have flowers in here as well. We're trying to really mix up.
That's our valerian
Yes.
along the back there.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
And this looking so dry and arid, I think it's partly because the moisture has been sucked out a bit by the mustard, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Probably. Yeah.
And you've got water in the tank under the restaurant, I gather.
we do. Yeah, we have I think it's about 16,000 litre reservoir of water.
16,000
I think it
litres.
is, and we tried to
We're
cut.
not great
No, don't
at
worry.
We're
that.
not great at amounts, but it's huge, isn't it? It's a huge tank underneath, and
Yeah.
it collects on all these huge roofs. So it's
Yeah,
it's
that's fantastic.
very important
But
resource.
you ran out of water last summer, even so.
Yeah, I mean it was so dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Last
did.
summer was extreme. You wonder what's coming this year.
I
don't you?
know, I
Yeah.
know. But the mulching has made such a difference. The beds that we heavily mulched, because when we dug down, it was moist under there, even when
Yeah.
it was at its hottest,
And worms.
and worms.
Lots of worms.
So
yeah.
So there weren't any when you started here.
no,
No. It was
That's
really,
graphic.
really
and we've got
scary.
32 beds here, so it's a lot to.
Hang on,
Yeah.
32
Rotate.
beds of this width? or-
Yes. Well, they're all pretty much the same. Some are larger.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger.
They're all
They
about
are.
9 by 3 on average.
3 metres wide.
3 meters wide,
Ah.
9.
I mean, that is
Length.
wide, but it's working for you.
Yeah.
It just shows you can do it kind of any way,
Yeah.
doesn't it, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you were saying about the worms and that over there where you were planting some.
Oh
in, is it?
yes, we'll
Should we
show
go and have a
you.
look?
Yeah.
Do you know, I was just tasting your chocolate mint, and
Yes.
it really tastes of chocolate.
Oh, good.
But what I've got, I don't know if it was missold. It was not quite so chocolatey.
Okay.
But this one, black currant, was it?
Black currant.
Right,
Smells
go and check that
gorgeous.
out. Oh my word, they're so different.
It's so different, isn't it?
Soft fruit.
Yep.
And do you have trouble keeping the chefs off this? I mean, like they're famous for marauding and.
No, we want them. We always
Yeah, welcome them.
we want them to pick as much as they. Honestly, we
That's
do.
nice.
We do.
You don't find they can get on top of the mint at least. I mean, what about things like rosemary or other things?
We have
We've got so much.
2
So
big
much.
herb
Yeah.
beds down at the front,
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
and some in the walled area as well. So yes, we've got a lot of herbs.
I think that's one of the biggest assets of a hotel garden is herbs, because chefs love to use herbs, don't they?
Absolutely.
And you've
yeah.
got all
Yeah.
those flavours ready for them, and a story to tell.
Yeah.
I'm very struck with these wallflowers. You said they've been here quite a long time.
Well, since we've been here, so at least 3 years.
Wow. And you cut them back really hard.
Well, we learnt very quickly that you need to be really quite brutal with them to get them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they're too leggy and they just fall over and flower just at the top,
And fantastic source of nectar, isn't it, for early bees?
as we can see.
Yeah. And then, oh God, you're letting some forget-me-not.
The chefs use them
Chefs
to
use them.
garnish. Yeah,
Oh,
we produce a lot of flowers for the chefs, and that's the earliest flower we
Yeah.
provide, and then it continues all through the summer.
Oh, brilliant. And what is this?
Oh, okay. Oh, you found
Oh, you got a sign.
these? Yeah,
Ta-da, Bug Hotel. So what's the story here?
they're little habitats. We like to keep as much of the things we cut down in the garden, and this was just another way of containing, this is all stuff that we've cut down,
yeah.
and we've refilled them all the time, and they are little habitats, we hope, for
House our insects.
particularly over the winter. Yeah.
And it slowly it would turn to compost, wouldn't it? In the
Yeah,
end?
we have to refill
We top them up.
continuously.
That's encouraging.
Yeah,
I love that.
yeah.
And then here you've got strawberries. You've got strawberries over there as well. As
We've got two
beds of strawberries.
Yeah, this was the original bed, and then we created that bed 18 months ago from all the runners from here, and that has now proved to be a better bed.
Well, it's looking strong. I did think that.
Yeah,
But
whereas
then
these are a bit
might be
depleted.
quite old. Do you know how old?
I
they are?
think they're before we came, so they're 3 years.
More than 3. Yeah, I mean, it's usually reckoned by then they're starting to
Get
lose
tired.
it a bit.
Yeah.
I mean, I would consider taking these out actually at the end of cropping this year.
We are planning to raise them up actually, in having raised planters for the strawberries, because we do have a problem with squirrels
Birds and slugs.
and
Oh,
mice.
squirrels.
Squirrels.
An army of squirrels that invade.
Oh,
And
God,
mice,
They
we
won't.
think,
Having
too.
a raised
Yeah.
planter won't stop squirrels.
No,
will
it won't.
But we can
No.
protect them better, probably, we're
okay.
hoping.
Right.
So we will be redoing
Okay.
this bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there you've got a raspberry coming up.
We have
Everywhere.
the raspberries are
Oh,
very
from
generous.
here, yeah, the raspberries behind there. Yeah.
They run all the way under the path.
We find-
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I've noticed that they go under concrete.
They
All
can.
over the garden.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so you just keep pulling them out,
Yeah.
basically. Yeah. I mean, your raspberries are looking really strong. These are summer raspberries, aren't
Yes.
they? So then you cut them down. They're going to crop in late June.
Yep.
Brilliant.
And we've just got another bed further down of some really beautiful yellow late
Oh, golden
right
raspberries.
golden. They're
Yeah.
beautiful.
In the autumn.
And the birds don't seem to see
No,
them.
that's so true.
And so
they-
we have a full harvest,
Oh.
which is great.
So these you do, and you don't net them or anything?
We do.
They do net them.
We do
yeah.
have to net
Yeah.
them.
Okay.
Yeah, we do, absolutely. But we won't probably the gold ones because we didn't lose them. They weren't interested in them, which was
Right, yeah.
fantastic.
And we're coming through now into, I don't know, it's your propagation of greenhouse, a beautiful greenhouse there.
Well, yes, we've got two sort of ornamental greenhouses. One has our beautiful vine.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
And you are clearly pruning it to
We w-
almost nothing, isn't it?
I
It's
know.
amazing with vines.
There are really
We've-
almost too many in here, aren't
We've
there?
really struggled with this. It does get mold.
Overgrown?
It
Yeah.
gets powdery mildew.
Oh, yeah.
every
We would like any
every
advice
year.
on
We
this.
get a lovely crop of grapes and then
Yeah.
suddenly
Yeah, in
covered
September,
in mildew.
whatever.
Yeah, and we lose. So we're trying to be as brutal
Do,
as
do
possible.
you know what variety it is?
No,
No.
idea.
Oh,
no.
okay. Oh, it's
No.
what, really ancient?
Yeah.
By the look of it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, more pruning probably is.
We've
Yeah.
If you
thinned
have
it
time.
out by at least
Oh, so
Half.
much. Yeah.
Wow.
this last winter, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so we're going to keep that stem clear this year and just have the, from the window
Get more
up.
airflow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
As
I mean, that's a nice
possible.
greenhouse from that point of view. The
Mm.
side windows.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
No.
You haven't got
stunning.
anything at the top though.
No.
No.
Yeah. There's the perennial issue is finding time, isn't it? For all the jobs from now on, really.
So busy.
You're being called in all directions. This is the most unique mix I've seen of hotel
I
and
know.
gardening.
It's good, isn't
It's
it?
right there.
Yeah.
It's right there.
And you even encourage them to reach up and pick a tomato? Well,
We do.
what are they?
So this year we have we've done cherry tomatoes. We've got a wide range of varieties
Huge
though.
range, yeah.
I think we've got about 10 different varieties.
Perfect.
So it should look really pretty, all the colours.
Yeah.
And we will put basil in here. It's just not quite ready
Yeah.
down the
absolutely.
edges, so it'll look
Yeah.
really pretty.
Oh, what a lovely place to eat.
Yeah, I know. Warm.
Very hot.
I mean, the tomatoes will love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're growing up, strings. So the strings are buried in the
Yes.
ground. But what I'm going to ask, this is jute, isn't it?
Yes.
You don't find it rots in the
Well,
ground?
we've actually, yes.
It did last year.
But
Oh,
we've
you've got it on a cane.
We've got it on a cane. So we learn all the
Yeah.
time, don't we?
Oh, that's a clever way of doing it. You're
So we've
anchoring the
pleated
cane.
them in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
For exactly that
That's a good
reason.
tip.
Because as they got bigger, we come in and this would go ping.
Hanging.
Oh, and then
Yeah,
of course
yeah,
the
so
tomatoes.
frustrating,
And then we
isn't
had
it?
to put
Yeah.
canes up, which
Yeah.
looked awful.
All
Yeah.
precious time.
So yeah,
Yeah.
we'll let you know how we get on. I'm hoping this is going to work because yes, otherwise it would rot.
And these little willow arches, are they for anything?
It's actually cornice,
Oh, corners. Yeah,
corners,
right,
because
yeah.
we had lots that we'd cut
Yeah.
in one of the other gardens, and we thought we'd use them. It's just really it's a little bit ornamental, but also just so people be mindful of
Oh, yeah.
not stepping
Walking
on,
on
because they're a bit
steps.
vulnerable.
They
Do
do.
they?
They're a bit vulnerable, and we're going to put basil in, and we want that to be
Right.
safe.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. I love
Yeah,
that.
so-
This therefore is hand watering in here. You're bringing in water cans?
We
Or
are.
a hose even? Can you do a hose?
We'll
We
can
we
it,
can
probably.
do, but we tend to just
That's a
water.
lot of
I
cans.
know, I know. Yeah.
We've got lots of lovely compost teas back
Oh,
in the
right,
walled
okay, yeah.
garden that
Yeah.
we'll be
You
feeding.
do
Feeding
feed a bit.
them, yeah.
But having said that, the soil here looks pretty
Oh,
nice.
not
You-
underneath.
No,
It's not.
it's very dry.
We've just done mustard in here, so this has got mustard
Oh, yeah, okay.
cut, chop and dropped in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good.
We'd seen that it
Oh,
could be
it's
used
really
as
nice to
a.
me. But you're saying it's sandy, was it?
It's just dry.
Like a
Really,
desert.
really dry.
Dries out quickly.
Very dry.
Need some clay.
Yeah. And it
We-
just forms a surface that the water runs off.
Oh, yeah, I'm
Look,
with you there,
see
because that
that?
happens to be
Yeah.
moisture, and this is dry.
Dusty.
It's dry, yeah.
This is dusty here.
It's terrible.
Wow. Yeah, look at that.
It's a shocker.
Is there any way you could get more water on it now? Because, you know, starting with dust like this, it's not going to be easy
Well,
in
we
the summer,
did
is it?
saturate
We
it
absolutely yesterday,
Oh,
honestly,
really?
Yeah.
yes. But because it's so dry, it's almost just running off. So
Runs
we,
off the surface.
Yeah.
but this new organic matter we put on top did hold some of the moisture. I mean, think how hot it is in here today.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
dry,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
But we have been happily growing tomatoes in here for years,
Okay.
so we know it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's challenging.
But these top windows open, presumably?
They
Are they
do.
automatic? Or
No,
you just
And
open
the
them?
side,
yeah,
both sides open and
Oh, yeah, cool.
up.
yeah.
Brilliant. Love it. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with Leslie and Caroline and see what they're doing here and the amazing transformation they've created in this garden over the last 3 years. And I was talking with James, the owner of the business, with his family this morning about future possibilities. I think I might have let you in for some more work.
Oh,
okay. Expanding into the small field that is over there.
Wow.
Wow.
I think
Okay.
there's amazing possibilities. But
Exciting. Yeah, yeah.
I said, you know, you would need much more labour. I said, you need to make these ladies full time if they can do it, if they want to, and get someone else to help as well. Because growing vegetables like this takes plenty of time.
It does.
Yeah.